Welcome to Spyder Auto's Projector Headlight Installation Guide for the Audi A4. Before we get started, you'll need a 10mm socket, T25 and T30 Torx drivers, and a panel popper. Check out how Spyder projectors update the look of your A4. Start by opening the hood. Remove the 3 T30 Torx screws along the top of the fascia. Moving to the wheel well, remove the 3 T25 Torx screws that secure the fender liner and forward mud flap. Remove the forward mud flap. Remove the 2 T25 Torx screws that secure the fascia hidden behind the fender liner. Remove the 2 10mm nuts hidden inside the fender that secure the fascia. Remove the 3 T25 Torx screws that secure the fascia to the under tray. Now go ahead and unseat the front bumper fascia. Disconnect the fog light and side marker harnesses and then set the fascia aside. Using a long Torx driver through the access hole, loosen the T30 Torx screw hidden under the core support. Loosen but do not remove this screw. Then remove the T30 Torx screws securing the headlight at the center. Then loosen the inner T30 Torx screw to release the headlight. Unseat the headlight. Disconnect the headlight harness and then remove the headlight. Locate your Spyder headlight. Your beam adjusters are shown here under Phillips head. Reconnect the headlight harness. Seat the Spyder headlight. Tighten the inner T30 Torx screw. Locate the washer included with your headlight. Install the washer under the headlight mount. Then reinstall the T30 Torx screw to secure the headlight. Using the pass-through in the core support, tighten the T30 Torx screw to secure the headlight. Reconnect the fog light and side marker harnesses. Seat the bumper fascia, being sure to seat it fully into its retainer tabs. Reinstall the 2 10mm nuts hidden inside the fender that secure the fascia. Then reinstall the 2 T25 Torx screws that secure the fascia behind the fender liner. Next, reinstall the forward mud flap and the 2 outer T25 Torx screws that secure the fender liner. Reinstall the inner T25 Torx screw that secures the mud flap to the fender liner. Moving back underneath the car, reinstall the 3 T25 Torx screws that secure the fascia to the under tray. Then reinstall the 3 T30 Torx screws that secure the fascia up top. Just close the hood and you're done. Congratulations, you've updated your Audi A4 with a set of modern projector headlights from Spyder Auto. This is the actual projector cutoff line.